but I think I should let Alicia introduce the next piece.
Well, we sent one of our AM Tonight producers to a fashion show, a very different kind of fashion show. It's so cool that even a guy like you will appreciate it, Jorge.
Oh, thank you.
Zara Stone has the story.
This is the third year the show has featured Fashion Wear, a fashion technology catwalk show with models proudly showing off LED-encrusted dresses and clothing equipped with smart sensors. But how feasible is it for fashion designers to merge technology with couture?
They go, are you a scientist, or are you a designer, or what do you do, what do you sell? They still don't quite understand. Now there's this term which everyone knows called wearable tech, and then people get it suddenly.
British-based fashion tech company Rainbow Winters has been around 5 years and utilises a variety of interesting design techniques.
The first thing I ever made was the thunderstorm dress. It's a volume-activated dress, so when people start clapping or screaming at the dress, it starts to illuminate. And the idea that it can interact with someone suddenly gave the dress something else, another quality, and that's what I found really, really exciting.
This isn't exactly everyday wear, yet. But with Lady Gaga wearing LED dresses and Katy Perry walking the red carpet in a colour-changing dress, this type of textile is getting more mainstream. 3D printing is adding to this mix. Last year, the Victoria's Secret fashion show Angels walked the runway in 3D printed wings, and Dita Von Teese debuted a stylish 3D printed gown. But not all fashion technology needs to be physical. Remember watching the movie Clueless and dreaming of Cher's virtual closet? Now there are computer systems which make that fantasy a reality, such as Clo 3D, a Korean company that's just about to launch in the US.
The CE Mirror basically allows you to try on different 3D garments made using our primary software, Clo 3D.
Originally designed for use by fashion designers, Clo 3D has a lot of applications for the everyday shopper.
As a shopper myself, I often want to try on thousands of different things, and the line is a mile long, and you can actually try these things on really quickly.
Perfect for when you're having a fat day, and brands like Macy's might buy the CE Mirror and scanner so they can digitize and make 3D versions of their clothes. One company, Smart AIQ, creates smart clothing using standard steel fiber, a material that's 1/100th of the thickness of a human hair. The fiber monitors different points in the body, heart rate, temperature, calories burnt, and conveys this to an attached sensor. So far, they're using it in workout gear, but we could see this being sewn into the lining of dresses and suits in the not-so-distant future. Then there's a Kiwi Move, a smart sensor that you can wear like a tie clip or under a shirt collar. It's voice-activated and can act like a personal assistant, for example, turning on your coffee maker when you get out of bed in the morning. New brands offer style that benefits us in different ways, such as a brand new June, a French-designed bracelet that contains a jewel that actually measures sun exposure and tells you, through their app, when you should put on more sunscreen.
I'm really excited about the kind of synergies that are happening between fashion and technology. You see, fashion CEOs start moving to tech companies to start really working on those things, and I think it's clearly a sign that these worlds are combining in a good way.
So there you go, fashion and technology, and it works, right?
Yeah, I didn't have your interest until that coffee making one, and then all of a sudden.
I mean, at some point, after going through the colors and everything, but now you're wearing something.
Yes, I'm wearing my Fitbit. I'm not getting any promotional fees from Fitbit. This was a present from my boyfriend, but it has a chip inside. You sort of you register it with your computer, and then this bit tracks the number of steps you take, the number of minutes in which you're active, and it also has the potential to track your sleep. I don't use that because that freaks me out, but it's good, and it's supposed to motivate you to work more.
It's not like GPS. I mean, nobody knows where you are.
I don't know. See, I think that will be the next frontier, where your loved ones can buy you presents that they tell you are just sweaters, and then they actually track where you are.
And also, what I found really interesting is that you actually don't have to change clothes to see how they look on you, right?
Right. I think that would be a huge service. Can you imagine if you could just do that here, and then you could order things, and you wouldn't have to go to a store?
Yeah, with the producers and with everyone. So. Should be so easy.
I think especially though as people begin to continue to shop online, and as that represents more and more of our consumer spending, the ability to not have to go into a store, right? The ability to just go to one of those things.
I try not to, for instance, everything through the internet.
Really?
Yeah, of course.
How modern. Well, then this would help you out, right?
Yeah.
Because you'd be able to go into one of these booths and sort of very quickly try on a bunch of things. And what they're saying is that in the future, it would even sort of store your measurements such that then you would have a profile, and they would just be able to tell you what size you are.
And everybody will know everything about you. So there's
because I just want to know more about Jorge Ramos. Who can blame you?
No privacy. No privacy. Elvira, thanks so much for being with us. Thank you. So go ahead. You want to promote?
Yeah, check it out. AM tonight. It airs at 7 p.m. right here on Fusion.
So that's our America Today. We'll see what happens tomorrow. Thank you. Thanks.
Thank you.